What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be giving another Bitcoin daily analysis. As you can see, Bitcoin was trading in this sort of downward channel, as you can see with the blue lines, before taking a dip, breaking that bottom trend line, and now we're trading at about 64,000 right now. Unfortunately, Bitcoin is still declining in price. We do see a free for all in the price, so the pattern recognition on what Bitcoin's going to do next is very hard to identify. All I can say is that I do believe that Bitcoin has the probability to bounce off that yellow-orange line of support and continue to trade sideways. We could see a parabolic shift upward pass or around that original downward trading pattern. That's possible, but nothing is guaranteed. We could also break that orange trend line and go down even further and dip to the 59, 58 price level and even further down. It just depends on the macro events pertaining to Bitcoin. There's a lot of conflict in the Middle East. The Clarity Act has a lot of legislative things going on with it as well. So just keep all that in mind when reviewing and analyzing the price of Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin right now, what it will do next is very unknown. It could do many things. I do believe that we continue to dip a tad bit more for the foreseeable future. Hopefully we can consolidate, hopefully around this price level, and continue to see support. But again, that's just my opinion. There's nothing for certain, but let me know your thoughts and opinions on the 1 hour chart. I do want to show you guys a 4 hour chart just to broaden your perspective of what's going on the trading patterns of Bitcoin, just to give you guys another viewpoint. As you can see on the 4 hour chart, Bitcoin is trading in this inverse cup trading pattern, which is a very bearish kind of trading pattern. As you can see, Bitcoin has dipped significantly. As you can see on the bottom orange line that I've drawn, Bitcoin is trading around that spot at that 64,200 level. Again, the same with the other pattern I showed you guys on the 1 hour chart. The 4 hour chart, it's kind of harder to identify what Bitcoin's trading pattern will do next, simply because it's dumping right now. So there isn't a solidified way that the candlesticks are trading to give us a pattern recognition. There is a possibility that we continue to dip even further, breaking that orange trend line and dipping into the 59, 58 price level or even further. There's a possibility we could trade alongside that new line, that new orange line, trend line, and trade sideways, finding support around that 65,000 level. That is very, very possible. We could go parabolic theoretically. Again, it just depends on the macro events pertaining to Bitcoin. So anything is certain. There's a lot going on in the world of crypto economics, a lot of uncertainty. I would say a lot of uncertainty right now. There's a lot of uncertainty with the economics involving Bitcoin, what it's capable of, what is it going to do next. There's a lot of people selling right now, but there's opportunity in a lot of places. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on the 1 hour and 4 hour chart setup. And by the way, it takes longer for price to reflect on the 4 hour chart, so keep that in mind. Just please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a good rest of your day.